Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Puchkul here। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स आने वाले हैं, so I'm going to do festive makeup look for beginners and under rupees 400। If you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please click on that button और bell icon भी दबा देना। So first we start with applying a primer on our face and for that I am using Blue Heaven primer। आपको जो सूट करे आप यूज कर सकते हो। Mix it well, let it absorb on your face and let's move on to the next step। For the next step, I am using Lakmé Foundation। आप चाहो तो कोई सा भी यूज कर सकते हो। I have already mentioned all the product link in the description box, so don't worry guys। So yeah, I'm using blender to mix it. If you don't have blender, don't worry, you can also use your finger to mix it। Now we conceal our face and for that I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer। मैं अपने फेस के हिसाब से कंसील कर रही हूँ, आपको जहाँ इसका ज़्यादा यूज हो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हो। अब हम इसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे। Let's move on to the next step and for that I am using eyeshadow compact। Apply it all over on your face with the help of makeup brush। Now I am going to highlight my face and for that I am using Chubb's highlighter। Don't worry, मैंने सारे के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं, तो आप वहां से जाके बाय कर सकते हो। After highlighting my face, I am going to highlight my eye and for that I am using brown highlighter, light shade brown highlighter। आप अपने हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हो जो भी कलर आपको पसंद हो। Let's move on to the eyes। Firstly, I am going to apply a kajal and for that I am using Lakmé kajal, link given in description box। I am applying it from back to front, you can also apply it from front to back। Now I am going to apply a eyeshadow on my eyes and for that I am using Huda Girl eyeshadow palette। So yeah, eyeshadow is done। Now I am going to apply eyeliner on my eyes and for that I am using Lakmé eyeliner। So eyeliner is done। Now we are going to apply a lip liner on our lips। So now we are on our last and very important step, that is lipstick। We are now going to apply lipstick, that is most important to complete our look। So finally my festive makeup look is complete। कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं कमेंट में बताइए और अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर प्लीज। Don't forget to subscribe my channel। Thanks for watching my video।